Hey friends, I'm Ashley, host of Fixins, a show that helps you savor while you save. Today we're making barbecue chicken tostadas. It's one of my kids' favorite dinners and I get to show you one of my favorite kitchen hacks. Let's get started. Today you will need a sheet pan, a fork, and a medium-sized bowl, and a stand mixer or a hand mixer, and those are optional. The recipe I'm showing you today serves 2 people, and you will need 1 chicken breast, shredded cheese, barbecue sauce, and tostadas. Let's talk costs. This recipe today costs $2.68 per serving, and that's with all the ingredients coming from Aldi and no sales. This recipe scales very easily for larger families. You just need more chicken and more of everything else. Also, if you make too much chicken, that's totally fine because chicken freezes really well. Now this is what I'm really excited about, shredding chicken. I know that sounds weird, but my favorite way to shred chicken is with my KitchenAid stand mixer. So normally you would shred chicken with a fork, and let's be honest, that's tedious and boring. So what I like to do, especially with my family, because I always make more than 1 chicken breast, is use my stand mixer. You can also use a hand mixer, so let's watch. There it goes. It's shredding all the chicken, easy peasy. It's like the coolest kitchen hack ever. Okay. Now that we have the chicken shredded, let's add our barbecue sauce. So we don't make this all the time, but it is on regular rotation for our family. And sometime years ago, I don't remember when, the kids asked one night when we made this if we could watch videos while we were eating dinner. And we're not a family that watches TV while we eat dinner. And so my compromise was we can watch Muppet videos. So we started, our favorite videos are Swedish Chef videos because he's hilarious. And when the kids were little, it got lots of laughs. Now that they're all teenagers and older, we still watch videos when we make this meal and when we sit down to eat together. And we always start with Swedish Chef videos, but now we've kind of moved on because they're getting more mature now, so we watch things like Dude Perfect and other more older kid shows, but we always start with Swedish Chef. All right, now we're gonna take our tostadas and put them on our sheet pan. Okay, and then we will add our chicken. And this tostada is broken, but that's totally fine because you can put a little chicken there and a little chicken on the other one. So unless they're teeny tiny, it's not a big deal. So you take some chicken and I kind of spread it out over it. And you do that on each tostada. One of the sides, or a couple sides that are really good with this meal are, we usually do green beans, and salad is really good. Also yogurt. Is a good side with this one. Depending on how hungry my kids are, they'll usually eat 2 to 3 of these, but if it's after like a game or a long practice, they'll eat a lot more. So I always try to have extra if I can. And I broke that one. Like I said, it's okay if they're smaller. You just kind of split them up. Now we'll add our shredded cheese. And you can use any kind of cheese. I literally just use whatever cheese I have in the fridge. I'm a Midwesterner and I have a cheese drawer. I don't know if other people do, but we definitely have a drawer in our fridge with just cheese. Okay, now they're ready to go. We're gonna stick them in the oven for 7 minutes. Okay, we just pulled our barbecue chicken tostadas out of the oven. Look how awesome they look. And just a reminder, they are $2.68 per serving, and we didn't even use all of our chicken, and we have lots of tostadas left. You can put the chicken in the freezer or eat more if you're really hungry. So that's really great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.